Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Monideepa Choudhury. आज मैं ब्लॉग करने वाली हूँ related to my work life. As you guys know, I have recently joined a firm. This is an advertisement firm, and anyway, I'll just show everything. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं इंडियन पहन के ऑफिस क्या कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि आज बहुत ही स्पेशल कुछ शूट होने वाला है ऑफिस में. I'm not going to reveal anything, so guys keep on watching this vlog. You will get to know everything. Hi guys, so I just arrived to my office and I'm gonna start my work now because it's 10 o'clock and I should start. And yeah, I'm gonna update you what's going on in my office. It's very interesting environment, and also I'm gonna update you. शायद बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे what's my work. So I work as a social media manager where I need to manage most of the social media things. So yeah guys, keep on watching. See you, bye. हाय गाइस, सो ये है मेरा ऑफिस. कैसा लग रहा है कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना. So guys, this is my workspace and I love working here with a wonderful view. And this space is for our creative team. This place is nicely creative kind of thing. I mean, the wall is full of doodle arts, which I really love about this space. So we are planning for a Diwali shoot for a brand, so we ordered some Diwali stuffs to relate to the content we are making. So I started my day and we had a really busy hectic schedule today planned. So we need to plan accordingly. So each team are aligned with a different shoot and they are getting ready, and Didi is helping to make her wing liner really at the notch. And here comes our Diwali preparation with some fairy lights, and then we had a shoot, and after that we also shot for another team. After that we had a lunch, and post that I had a meeting with some of the brands, so I finished that. And I also tried this new gadget that I was taking some trial shot with the school gadgets. This is a rotating wheel kind of thing, and it shows or demonstrates the product so beautifully like a commercial shoot. सो या आफ्टर दैट मैं इतना बार क्यों बोल रही हूँ. एनीवे, फिर मेरे को ना ये जो जगह है ना, ये बैल्कनी मुझे इतना पसंद है कि लाइक आफ्टर 2 to 3 आवर्स स्ट्रेच जब भी काम ज़्यादा हो जाता है ना, तो मैं यहाँ आके मैं चिल आउट थोड़ा सा करती हूँ. एंड आज का वेदर यार इतना मस्त था. लाइक द क्लाइमेट वाज सो क्लाउडी, एंड मतलब जो स्काई का होता है ना डार्क ब्लू, एंड वो सनसेट का रे भी आ रहा था. इट वाज, आई कांट एक्सप्रेस इट वर्ड्स. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop here and you guys please enjoy this serene beauty. So guys, I'm done for the day and it's I think 6 o'clock. I really consider you guys to my extended family, and that's the reason I'm sharing a little achievement of my life. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, do subscribe for more such content, and also press the bell notification button so that every time I post any video you will be notified. Also guys, do let me know in the comment section what type of content you wanna see next and show some love.